Hi, I'm Dr. Kiran again here. So, as we had been discussing, regular taking of the medication is one of the main key role in diabetes management. Most of the patients, sometimes even including me, whatever I should take in case of necessity, we keep forgetting them, we keep missing them. Sometimes it may happen even intentionally, sometimes not. So when it happens intentionally, what we have seen in many of the patients is they really want to check their blood sugars without medication. I would like to explain here that whatever the medications have been prescribed to the patient by the doctor or for keeping the blood sugars under control, not always when you check the blood sugar without taking the medication, the sugars may be higher side. Sometimes they may not be higher side, they may be the same as your sugars are with the medication. But overall impact will be on the HbA1c. But for some patients, even by skipping one dose of medication, the sugars may go higher side, sometimes even so high that they land up in an ICU with coma. And bringing them out of the complication is very difficult and very, very expensive. So please never experiment on your own health. In case if you have a question, please talk to the doctor assistant or to the nurse regarding your queries, and never burn your fingers in this way. We have seen few occasions where the patients landed up with spending huge money in lakhs just for no reason. This is very bad actually, both for the doctor and for the patient. So our sincere advice is not to skip your medication. Take them very carefully, regularly, and you happen to skip your medication just by mistake or unintentionally, note them, and in the next visit to the doctor, explain it to them that due to so and so reason the medicine has been skipped. So it gives a better understanding to the doctor regarding your diseases. Next, regarding insulin, most of the patients skip, like I should say like this. When we ask the patient why he skipped the insulin, he says because there was no refrigerator in the place where he was going, so he didn't carry the insulin. Or because the insulin should always be kept in cool conditions, they didn't take the insulin. This is not really a valid reason nowadays, as you can carry the insulin wherever you want. The vials can be carried. Even if you cannot maintain them in a cool temperature, still nothing happens to the insulin in few days. So don't miss the insulin taking this as a reason. In case if you further have any doubts on this, you can again talk to your doctor or to the pharmacist. They can explain you better ways of storing your insulin and carrying them in special conditions if necessary. So I hope this information was useful to you. Thank you.